So 2024 was a hell of a year. XR entered into a deep valley thanks to the failure of the Apple Vision Pro. AI has taken over every facet of life in general. Thousands of design jobs were slashed, and thousands of design jobs are likely going to be slashed thanks to Figma's new product tools. And on top of all of that, to sew everything together, the Orange Man got shot, got elected, and now we have Elon Musk as president. So yeah, 2024 kind of sucked. But before I talk about where I want to go in 2025, let's just look in the horizon of what's coming up this year. First and foremost, let's start somewhere positive. XR is about to exit its final valley, and it's going to crawl its way out of it thanks to Google, Meta, and Apple's fight on smart glasses. Now, smart glasses is the sexiest thing in the world, but I think it starts an interesting war that will bring us all forward. On top of that, AI is going to get even more important. So we're going to start seeing the rise of agentic AI, or AI agents. These things are going to make its way into everything, but I also think we're going to see a lot of people have to retrofit existing products and websites to take advantage of the AI of 2026 and 2027. And I've been saying the word AI a lot, and so I think it's time for me to talk about what I want to do in 2025. And so for 2025, I want to talk about design in a broader context. Now, I'm not going to stop talking about XR. And in fact, I think AI in general is going to help XR survive. But fundamentally, I want to expand my channel to talking about design in general. So I want to talk about AI, photography, 3D, everything. And it used to take me between 40 to 50 hours to make a single video, and I burned me out super hard. So this year, I want to make one video every week, and I want to spend no longer than 8 hours on every video. Now, this means my production value is going to go down. This means what I'm going to be talking about is not going to be consistent. In some videos, I may do tutorials, and other videos, I may do reaction videos, or I may just talk about what's on my mind. And if you find this interesting, let me know with a like, subscribe down below, make a comment. So if you like this, let me know down below and join the Discord. Now, I'm calling it the Discord because pretty soon we will be expanding to be more than just XR. In fact, we're going to be expanding it to encompass AI, XR, game design. So if you want to join, links down below. Anyway, thanks for keeping me honest. Thanks for being patient. And I'm excited to talk with you guys next week. Take care. Plus minus. Peace.